is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today we'll be doing another DIY video. If you guys have been watching my videos, I want to say maybe a month or two ago, I picked up these wheels. And yes, these are Ray wheels. These are Ray's Gramlights. These are the 57 time attack. So this is how it's supposed to look. And you guys look over here. Yeah, we do have mismatched color wheels. So this is the best wheel out of all four. Picked them up for a steal. As you can tell, this one is not too bad, but over here some discoloration on the red. This one here has been painted gloss black. It's supposed to be like a flat black, kind of like this. The guy I bought it from attempted to DIY paint. Didn't really do a good job because they don't quite match, as well as it doesn't have the right rim. And this one's the worst of them all because the whole paint has been stripped. I'm guessing he tried to strip the paint before painting it down. But yeah, I definitely will not be rocking these wheels on the car just like that, or even selling them just because they look pretty bad. What I'll be doing is attempting the DIY. Like I said, I'll try to get them as close as I can doing this. Again, I'm not a painter by trade. I'm just strictly doing DIY. Over here, what I'll be using today are some spray can paint that I got from Home Depot. So the black I'll be using is from Rallinspired. It's a paint plus primer, and I'm gonna go with a flat black, not a gloss black. I also have some of these Rallinspired. Doesn't say paint plus primer, but what I'll be doing is the first coat I'll be using this, just because it has primer in it as well. And then once I get it painted, let's see, I think it should be pretty close. Yeah, pretty close enough. Like I said, this one's gloss, this is a flat black. I want to get it as close as I can to that. And then once the black is done, I'll go ahead and get the red trim. Let's see, hopefully it's close enough. And yeah, try to get it as best as I can. I have the tires on there, so I will not be taking off the tires when I spray paint it. There's a way, of course, if you can take off the tires, you know, it's going to be way easier. But since I don't have the machine to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and mask it off kind of like that around the edging, just so I don't get overspray on the tires. And then underneath I also have cardboard just to make sure that, you know, I don't have overspray on the grass. So let's go ahead and mask it out with the cardboard all around. So I'm thinking, let's get to working on this one first, the gloss black. Alright, so I have it pretty much with the cardboard lined up as good as I can. Also have to take out the center cap, don't forget to do that. So you might not see too big of a difference on this one because it's already black, but right now, if you can tell, it's kind of like a gloss black. I'm going to be spraying it down. I'll start with the paint plus primer, one coat, and then I'll probably do another 2 coats of this. So I'll try to do 3 coats total on each wheel. So let's get to spraying it down. So first coat done, I'm just going to do a real light coat. Like I said, whenever you get it painted, you just want to make sure light and nice. I did the edging first, and then I kind of went up ahead and do it on the spokes. Make sure to get it on the sides and everything as well. I'm going to go ahead and mask up this one as well and get to spraying it down too. Alright, so I have this wheel all masked out as well. I'm going to go ahead and spray it down. So like I said, each wheel I'm going to go ahead and spray down 3 coats. light coats. So while I let these two wheels dry, I'm gonna go ahead and repair this one as well. Well, I should say repaint, early repair. So as you can tell, the flat black, everything looks good. Only does need to be resprayed on some corners that are silver. Some of the paint came off. So all I'll be doing is I'm gonna go ahead and mask it off with some painter's tape. So blue painter's tape, I'm gonna mask off the side right here all around, and then I'm gonna do this same thing, but instead I'm gonna mask it all around, and then I'll just spray the inner rim red just so it'll look like that. Alright, so I masked off the edges. So you guys might be wondering, why did I mask off everything? So I just need the edges because on the side I'm gonna be putting the cupboard just like this, and then I'll just be covering the rest of this. So before I do that, let me go ahead and spray on my third coat for this wheel, and then I think we should be pretty good. Just let it dry before I spray on the red trim on the edges. Alright, so this wheel has 3 coats of black. I'm gonna let it dry. This one's on my second coat. This one is the one that needs the edging repaired, so I'm gonna go and spray it down with the red. Like I said, I went ahead and taped it down. Just want to make sure that I'm only getting that part right there. So I went ahead and used the cardboard, masked it all off, and spray the rims so you can see full circle all red now. I'm just gonna do a few more coats and then peel off the painter's tape, and it should look good. So pretty much covered the face of the wheel, and then what I did was I just used the cupboard just you know, line the edges of the wheel and then just spray paint it red. So I already did 2 coats. I'm gonna do 3 coats total, and then I'm gonna take off all the masking and see how it looks. Alright, so just spend a little bit more time spraying it down. So right now we have 3 coats of black, 3 coats of red around the trim, so it should look pretty good. Right now I still have it masked off, just letting it dry, and then once I let it dry, everything's good. I'm just going to take off the masking and show you guys the end results. Alright, so just took off all the masking. I think it looks pretty good. Color match is pretty spot on, I do have to say. Previously, you guys saw at the very beginning, one was all silver, paint was all stripped, the other one's all gloss black. So to give you a perspective, so this is the wheel that was in the best condition earlier, and let me compare it with this one that was all silver before that. I think it's pretty spot on. Again, I'm not a professional painter or anything. For the most part, looks pretty accurate. Yeah, pretty happy. What do you guys think? I'm not sure if I'm gonna rock these wheels. I might rock them on the RSX, because as of right now my DC5 RSX is sitting back on the stock wheels. You guys saw the Gramlights. I actually have the raised Gramlight wheels over here right now. You guys saw the video that I put these Gramlight 57DR wheels on. Only thing is the offset is way too aggressive. These are 17x9 plus 12. So yeah, hopefully either sell this set or the other RPF ones, or these might be up for sale. Like I said, best way to know if my wheels are for sale is to follow me on my Instagram page, so you know whenever my wheels are up for sale. What do you guys think? Should I throw it on the DC5 RSX? I also do have another set of wheels that will be on the way here, so I might throw it on RSX. We shall see. My buddy also hit me up. He has the same Gramlights that you saw back there, but in black color. So that has a perfect offset since it came off his 8 Gen SI. It will fit just nice on the RSX as well. We'll see. If we sell at least a set of wheels, I might pick it up. Alright, if you guys stay to the really end, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Again, if you guys like this DIY stuff, I have all my DIY videos on a separate playlist called How to DIY Installation Videos on my channel. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you know when new videos are out. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one.